Hello, my name is Trihil. I'm Solution Architect at Siili Solutions. Terex Corporation is a global company that manufactures heavy machinery for various of industries. Powerscreen is part of the material processing segment at Terex Corporation. Our motivation to develop the Powerscreen brand website as part of the Sitefinity infrastructure is that we wanted to consolidate Terex Corporation public services under one enterprise CMS, which is flexible enough to handle big volume of content as well as lots of traffic. At the moment, our Sitefinity infrastructure hosts 30 plus websites and business portals, but this is just the beginning for us. Our goal is to make the digital experience journey for Terex B2B and B2C customers as easy as possible. Since we launched the Powerscreen website, we have doubled the traffic, and business also doubled the leads generated through the website. To make the digital experience better for our users, we want to consolidate the corporate sites as well as our B2B portals into one ecosystem. Today, all Terex brands has exposure in the Terex corporate website by utilizing the shared content capabilities of the multi-site and multi-provider setup. From the corporate website, users can browse to specific brand websites where they can find the products and services portfolio. By signing in through our SSO solution, users can manage all their business with Terex brands in a single location. They can monitor their financial data, logistics, and other business functions. By utilizing the form rules, we are able to shorten the path between the customer and the proper Terex representative. This optimizes the communication time and quality, which leads to both customer and business satisfaction. Sitefinity has many useful features that makes both editors and engineers' life easier. We benefit a lot from the multi-site and multilingual capabilities, including the content translation by simply exporting and importing the translated content. This saves editors lots of time and manual work. Creating custom content based on our business needs through the module builder basically makes everything possible from content perspective. Generating various forms is very simple. With the form rules, we are able to channel our communication and generate the proper leads in a fast and secure way. Sitefinity capabilities of exposing as well as consuming various secured APIs allows us to integrate the CMS with other platforms like SharePoint Online, Oracle TMS, Salesforce, and others easily. SiteSync is one of the key features that allows us to organize the architecture in the way that makes our security, scalability, content population experience to a completely new level. Last but not least is the Sitefinity support. This is not necessarily a feature, but it makes our work with the product much easier. We know that there is a team of professionals constantly improving and evolving the platform to meet the expectations of both business and technology. All these features and many others are the reason why we believe Sitefinity is the correct product for the enterprise businesses. Being part of a global corporation, Terex marketing and IT teams are in a constant struggle to operate and support various of software products. Our main goal is to optimize these processes in a smart and lean way. This is why we recognize Sitefinity as a product that allows us to have a single source of content which could be easily distributed to as many platforms as needed. From architecture perspective, we are able to maintain 30 plus websites and portals within a small set of servers which are scalable and easy to monitor. All these things drastically minimize the costs of licenses and support within the Terex company, but also increase the overall quality of the provided services. Winning award is always a great thing. It proves that your team effort is recognized by the community as a meaningful and valuable product. However, it also means that from now on we need to work even harder in order to prove that we are a trustworthy partner that can evolve and keep up with the great results.